Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aubrey. Welcome to my channel. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. So, I have been wanting to do this video for a really long time, and I thought what better way to do my everyday skin night routine. So I'm super excited about this, and I went to Ulta today, and I didn't know, like I knew Kylie had been posting like she was launching all her cosmetic line in Ulta, which is really cool, but I didn't know that they had the KYLIE Skin collection too, and I was like, oh, I have to get some. So I went ahead and stopped by. The bags look really cute, it's pink. But I went ahead and got the products that I didn't have from her, and I was like, I might as well review them. So now that we have the products that I'm using, let's just get right into this video of reviewing the KYLIE Skin products and my night routine. Okay, so the first product that I didn't have from her was her KYLIE Skin eye cream. And I'm really excited to use this because I use the Clinique eye cream and it works amazing. So this one I've heard really good things. I was reading like the reviews like on her website, and they were actually pretty good. Let me show you how the bottle looks like. It's actually really small. I love the pink color that she uses. I think it's so cute, but I'm really excited to try this. And then another item that I got that I didn't have from hers before, KYLIE Skin Face Moisturizer. And I heard this was really good for your face too, so I'm going to be a judge of that because I've been using like a really specific moisturizer on my face. And so I hope this one is actually really good. And the bottle looks similar to the eye cream one, but just a little bigger. The products that I already have from her skincare line, I have the Vitamin C Serum. And I also have her face wash, the foaming one. And I've been using it and actually really like it. So the first thing that I always do when I'm doing my night skin routine, use my Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. And I really like these. I've been using them for a while. So I have my little mirror here, and I wish I had a stand to put it on, but I don't. So I'm going to use this while I take off my makeup from today. Now that I took off all my makeup that was on my skin, now I'm going to apply the KYLIE Skin Foaming Face Wash, and I actually really like it. I use it a lot more often than like you would think I would, but I think it's really nice like how it feels on. So I am going to show you guys how it looks. But basically I don't have any makeup on right now, so that's how it looks. Okay, now that my hair is fully pulled back, I'm going to apply the foaming face wash, and like it feels so good on. So it says only use one pump, but I'm using two. Okay, and usually I just let it sit for just a little bit, and then it starts like working its magic, and then I'm gonna rinse this off and show you guys what it looks like. But it feels really good on, like honestly it feels like real refreshing. Okay, I'm gonna wash this off. Okay, so I washed all of it off, and my skin feels really nice and clear. Like it feels like it's glowing. My cheeks are always red, so like that's nothing new, but I love the way this feels. Like if you are getting, because I was breaking out like a little bit right here and a little bit right here, and like this has been helping tremendously. So normally I would use my All About Eyes serum from Clinique, but since I bought the KYLIE eye cream for underneath your eyes, I'm going to use hers and see how it is. After I already did all the foaming and face wash and I took it off, I'm going to apply the vitamin C serum, and it says to use like 2 pumps, so just use a little bit in my hand and I'm just going to apply it everywhere. And I like it because it's like a good base. And lately my skin's been like really dry right here and everywhere else is like calm, so kind of strange, but feels good. It smells a little weird, but it still does its work. The next thing that I'm going to do is add moisturizer. As I was mentioning, my skin's a little bit dry in certain areas, so hopefully this will work. And I love that it's a pump like this. The only thing is it feels like super light, like it doesn't seem like there's much in here. Okay, it says this formula conditions the skin for a soft to the touch finish without any excess oil. Okay, the only thing is not coming out. Ooh, it smells. Okay, I kind of like how this feels. It feels like really good. And in my last video that I did, it was a fall haul, I bought this Deep Sea Collagen Super Serum from Tarte, and I've been putting it in my everyday moisturizer just a little bit to add like glowing to your skin. So I'm gonna try it just a little bit with this and see how it goes. So as I said, I just put a little bit. Ooh, it feels so much better when I add that. Like it goes on smoother. It's not so dry. Ooh, I really like this. It feels really good. And see how it's giving like a glow? I like the lotion, but only if I add the collagen serum to it, because like I said before, maybe it's just my skin, I don't know, but adding this to it made it so much better. The next thing is the eye cream. I usually use the Clinique one, like I mentioned like a billion times, but let's see how this one is. It's kind of like a yellow color. Okay, so I applied the eye serum. It's okay. It has a really yellow tone base, and like I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on makeup routines and night routines and skincare routines, and usually when it has a yellow base you can see more of the dark circles, so you want like more of like a red base instead of yellow, because I feel like that gets rid of your dark circle. Good thing is definitely her face wash. I think that like is worth the money. I'm gonna link all these products down below for you guys, but leave a comment down below what is your favorite KYLIE Skin product and if you've tried it. That is all for my night routine using all KYLIE Skin products. So leave a comment down below if you've tried her skin products and what do you think, because I want to know. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said in my last video, we are almost to 500 subscribers and that is amazing. Thank you so much for your support. Give it a thumbs up if you love watching like skincare routines and makeup routines. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned for more. Bye.